explain the objective of your participation in SmartTech Asia 2023?
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Vinay Thapliyal. I'm responsible for MPU business in South Asia region. So, the objective for the participation this year is to introduce the new devices which ST has launched, especially for the domain which are for the very highly secured devices, for example, for IoT devices as well as the point of sale terminals. So that is one of the processes which are getting more popularity in such applications. So we want to exhibit the latest introduction which ST has done in this domain.
Could you give us a demonstration of what you're showcasing here?
So we have showcased one of the demonstration of our device, exhibiting the features which are required for ensuring that you are able to achieve such kind of security. So one of the, for example, we have one device which is called STMicroelectronics family. This is the latest family which we have launched in the market for microprocessor range. And this is based on the ARM Cortex A devices running up to 1 GHz and having a lot of security features which are able to comply to some of the certifications which are required for such applications. For example, we are able to reach to the physics level 3, which is one of the IoT platform for security compliance. At the same time, for the POS application, we have the PCI ready certifications.
What made you focus on security, for example, in the case of an EV charging ecosystem?
Sure, so that's an interesting question. Security today is one of the very prominent element which has to be considered by all the developers around. Whenever we are thinking of design, it means they have to be complying with security. And why? Because one of the major important aspect is now everything is connected. We have a connected world now. The moment we talk of connected world, we have to ensure that our hardware also, at the level of hardware also, we have the secured mechanisms developed. And that is one of the area where ST is want to be one of the pioneer. We already have all the successful devices in the pipeline and already launched, which are complying to those securities. To enable them, we make help the customers with some certifications. That's very important because security has to be complied with some certifications. So that's what, as I indicated, we have like CISIP level 3 kind of certification, even the PSA. So these are certifications which are ensuring that your devices are quite secure. So that's what we believe that, for example, you gave the example of charging stations. So it's a connected world. So we have those devices which are interacting with the vehicle. So we want to ensure that if anything is available, the secured mechanism available at the charger, they should be able to be pretty sure that nobody can hack them, and through these mechanisms nobody is able to get into your car. So these are the kind of the interest which we are seeing in the market, and we want to comply with it.
Who is your target audience for the different applications of this product?
Certainly, this is the general purpose microprocessor family. So it means that we are able to make the different applications with the help of this process. For example, Industry 4.0 is one of the major use cases for us, where we are seeing a lot of factory automation happening, and India is booming up. So we see a lot of automation which is going to come up in the, and we already are seeing so much evolution around it. So that's one of the major focus where we are doing. But not only, apart from this, as we already discussed of the EV infrastructure, we are talking about the home automation that again is coming up. So again, in the home automation, we talk about that how the gateways which are to be secured again, to ensure that you are all the different the appliances or different nodes which are inside your home, they are securely connected. And what for that's interesting discussion, because in home automation there is a new protocol which is coming up, that's called Matter. It's getting very popular, and again ST is working with the help of these MPUs. We also are applying to some gateways, for example open border router gateways, which are complying to those these are the applications which we are doing.
What has the response been like from your customers with different segments?
Absolutely, because after the launch we are seeing a lot of interest from the customers. We already have a very good success with some pioneer in the global key players, And for the POS application, for sure, so we have been able to get some interest on the RMP13 family of the from those applications. And apart from this, as I said, and automation is another area, and even the charges we talked about. So these are some areas where we already have the customers engaging with us, showing the interest, and I'm sure we will be get a lot of success in the coming years.